Okay. All right. Good morning, everybody. All right. Just doing a very quick audio check. Can you guys let me know if you are able to hear me? Yeah, just doing a quick audio check. Can you guys let me know if you're able to hear me from my fellow viewers over there on YouTube and also my viewers as well, who are on TikTok? No, I don't think TikTok is able to hear me. Let me just adjust that. Oh yeah, no, TikTok can hear me. My microphone is working. Okay, good. All right, well, let's get into it. Again, welcome to 215 Trades, the home of the 215 technique. And on this channel, we basically look at how we can use the 215 technique to basically find entries uh, on gold. All right. So if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, that's 215 Trades on YouTube. Please ensure that you go ahead and do so. So we're live today on YouTube and also live on TikTok as well. So let's see how that works out today. Good morning, Sylvia, and good morning, Natasha, as well. And good morning, Sunny. Haven't seen your handle in a while, Sunny. Welcome back again. Let me just sign into my Telegram here quickly and just let the Telegram members know that we are live right now. And then after that, we can just dive into our usual markings. All right, hold on. Ricky, great things as well, Ricky. I haven't seen you in a while, Ricky. Welcome back, my friend. Okay, good. Nice, and I'm very happy to hear that you are okay. All right, good. Remember, guys, if you haven't yet liked the stream as yet, please go ahead and do so. All right, now as you can see on your screen there, I've already marked the price. That was the 7 a.m. Hold on. All right, so as you can see here, I've already marked the 7 a.m. point of interest or price of interest, whichever you want to call it. Really, both means the same thing. So I'm just going to dive into basically getting the 215 zone marked out, highlighted, and then we can dive into it. All right, let's see. All right, so we have the point of interest there at 2935.72. So let's just continue with this. And let me know at any given time if my audio tends to go. So that's just going to be 29. So if that's 2935, it's going to be 2937. And that's going to be 732. 732. And this is going to be my bar line right there. Going to be doing the reverse of that as well to identify the sell area, as well. So we have 2935.732. We should have 2933.732 right here as well. And then that's going to be the sell area. All right, remember guys, for those who are streaming on TikTok, if you haven't yet subscribed to the 215 Trades YouTube channel, please ensure that you go ahead and do so. Likewise as well, if you haven't shared the stream or if you haven't yet liked the stream as well, please just double tap on that screen as well. That goes as well for my YouTube viewers as well. If you haven't yet drop a like on the video, please go ahead and do so. So we have the 215 zone marked out already, which would be in this range right here. I don't know why, but my PC is moving slow today. Something is loading. Okay. Oh, that's not the point of interest. I want to click on this box. Yep, and this is the 215 zone. That's the 215 zone. We just need to find the 15-minute rejection lines as well now. Still on the 15. Oh, wait, now I'm on the 5-minute time frame. Let's go back to the 15-minute time frame. So still on the, oh, that's a bit of a distance away now, is it? Yeah. Well, let's see how far away this rejection area is. Price is moving up aggressively as well to this 50-minute rejection area. Let me just measure just to see if it's in line. Okay, yeah, that's not too bad. So that's perfect actually. And I also need to find the same on the reverse. Yeah, I think I will work with that section on the downside. Hey, Catherine, I haven't seen you in a while. Catherine, how are you doing today? Yeah, that's not too bad. Far away from the rejection area, right there. All right, good. So let's continue to the higher time frames to identify our target areas. So let's go to the 30-minute time frame so we can identify the support and the resistance on the 30-minute time frame. So let's see. So this is where the 15-minute rejection line would be. So this is going to be the closest 30-minute support, well, resistance I can see above the 215 zone. And then let's have a quick look on the flip side. We can use this area in this area here. It's a bit crowded though, but that's fine. But at least it follows the tip of this wick on the 30-minute time frame. So let's just put it right there. So this is going to be the 30-minute support. And then we're moving on to the 1-hour time frame as well. So we can identify the support and resistance as well on the 1-hour time frame. You're in a long right now. Well, yeah, yeah, that's good that you're in a long right now, Catherine, because I believe where the price is right now, where the 215 zone is right now, would be at a 30-minute support. If you were counting from the top. So let me see. So this is the I lost my train of thoughts. My 1 hour support. Of course, Sonny. I'm definitely going to be looking to do some proper cooking today because yesterday the market, I tell you, the market played with us so many times. It toyed with us all throughout the day. It was it was a little bit frustrating, but it's fine. It was a Monday, so let's see what happens today. Let's go all the way to the 4 hour resistance. The greatest thing about it is that we now have structure and all of that, so we should be hopefully be looking for some good entries uh, today using the 215 technique. So let's see how that plays out. So we have all of our zones now mark out. The 215 zone, we have our target areas as well mark out. So it's just now this time for me to find an entry on the 5 minute time frame. All right, so we get in a very early test. Wow, getting a very early test of that 15-minute rejection, but the price, the volume is extremely aggressive as well, as you can see. I remember, guys, to like this stream if you haven't yet done so as well. So let's see. So ideally what we want is for price to break, test that zone back into here, and then another candle closure on the flip side. But as we can see now, the price is moving up aggressively right now. So we just need to wait for retracement. It has already tested that 15-minute rejection area, so we just need to wait for a retracement. It's early days actually because it's now only 7:14 a.m. here in London, and what ideally what we'd like to see, we don't mind if it confirms the entry before the London session. However, we still have some time just to wait for the London boys and gals just to come into the market and try to move the market in the direction which we wanted to. They did move it yesterday, but they did us dirty in a sense because we were waiting so long for our entry. However, it didn't confirm exactly how we wanted it to be confirmed. All right. So guys, remember, for my viewers who are on TikTok, if you haven't yet subscribed to the 215 Trades YouTube channel, please ensure you go ahead and do so because that's our main play area for the channel, and we're live right there right now. So if you see the stream goes down, you know where to find us. That's 215 Trades on YouTube. All right, so I'm not long. Your SL is at 2934. 2934. All right, that's good. That's almost at my sell line, and your entry price is 2936. 2936. So you enter just above the point of interest. Right here, Catherine. Yeah, that's a very good entry. Give it a shot. Got a short signal 10 minutes ago, but was already in a long. You got a signal. Oh, well, that's not too bad though, because you just went up by 40 pips. So even if you took some partials and all of that, you should be perfectly fine. You can just hold on. Wow, we got a really early test of the areas already, because as you can see, price has now tested that 15-minute rejection line, and it's now pulling back to the zone. So let's see if, because yesterday we waited for, how long did we wait yesterday? Well, we waited for about 2 hours for a setup, only for the market just to do a quick reversal on us. Well, did it reverse? I think it just skyrocketed and didn't confirm our position in time, in line for what we're looking for. So I'm waiting now just to see. Tested that 15-minute rejection. It's pulling back. So let's see if we can get some action back into my zone. Good morning, Mr. Evans. Great day, peeps. Very great day indeed. Still feel like this week is going to be a great week for the 215 family. So let's see what's going to happen. I think I have a shadow ban on TikTok right now, it seems, but that's fine. 2935732. Let me just. The minute rejection is at 2939.03, and the 30-minute resistance is at 2941.758. The 1 hour resistance is at 2943.19, and the 4 hours at 2945.36. Alright, remember to like the stream, guys. I did not in your live yesterday. They cooked you. No, we didn't get cooked yesterday. We didn't get cooked yesterday. What happened was the price just we waited for the position to come, for the play to come. As you know what we normally wait for on a regular basis. So waited for it to happen, but it instead of it happening and how we wanted to, the price, the candle that was supposed to confirm our entry, it just skyrocketed and basically went outside of the rules for us to enter. So it was a bit sad in a sense, because we waited for it all morning. We extended the stream just to see if we can get it into it, and then as soon as we almost got confirmation, the price just went through the roof, and we missed that entry. So no, we didn't got cook. I did try again though. Like personally, I saw it because when the market was getting so weak. Personally, I saw it, and then I said, you know what, I'm going to give it a try here. Um, Minimal risk, but then that blew out. So I was like, okay, it's fine. Just give it up for today and just come back again tomorrow. So we're here again. Um, Tajinder Sai, I'm on a buy from for 38. Should I hold till 50? Well, that wouldn't be a bad idea. Um, reason being, right now the price has just tested my 50-minute rejection area here. It's pulling back to the zone now. So basically, it has confirmed one step of the really. Wow, you see, these this is exactly the market was playing with us yesterday. You see, so let's see what's gonna happen now. It's now back into. No, bro, don't say you're sorry for that, man. We're used to this kind of things. We're used to it. I think because one, I don't remember what there was a period of time when I was streaming and we didn't get any entries all week. All week we came to the market, we didn't get any entries until on Friday we got about a 200 pip move. So it's all about just being patient. It's all about just being patient. And one thing we do know for sure is that whenever you're patient, you do get rewarded fairly as well, from the market. So it's just now, it's just that time again. So it's now 7:20 a.m. here in London. We have about 40 minutes basically until the market opens, the London market opens. So price has tested the 50-minute rejection area. It is back in the zone, so we just need to wait for a candle closure inside of the zone, and then as soon as I can get another candle closure above the zone, then it would be okay for me to take a long position. All right, so for my viewers who are on TikTok, can you guys just please just give me a double tap on the screen, get the likes up on the stream to about 1,000. I think we have about 500 likes on the stream right now, so if you can just double tap on that screen and get those likes up to 1,000, I would really appreciate it. Additionally as well, if you haven't yet subscribed to the 215 Trades YouTube channel, please ensure you go ahead and do so. That's 215 Trades on YouTube, just the same as it is on TikTok. Seems like we're gonna get an early confirmation today, which I don't mind. All right, so 2 minutes left until this candle closes. So if this candle closes inside the zone, that will confirm the second action of the retest, because the first action was for it to test the 15-minute rejection line, and the next action was for it to pull back into the zone and close inside the zone. So that would be the second action. Then the third action would be for price then to close above this area right here. So I wouldn't mind if it continues to go down a little bit more deeper into the zone and then just slowly come out to confirm what I needed to confirm. So let's just wait and see what is happening. I know, I think today is going to be a pretty slow day. Hmm. Come on, don't do that. Continue back to the into the zone. Yeah, continue back. Yeah, continue back into the zone. Yes, continue back into the zone and be nice. If I was to take an entry, then my TP would be at the higher resistance level, the 30-minute, the 1 hour, and the 4 hour. All right, good. So we have a retest of the zone with a candle closure on the inside now. So basically, just now for us, well, for me to wait for a candle closure above the zone. I made $20 in the Asian time. Congrats to you, my friend. Congrats to you. Now let's see if we can double that amount in the London session. So let me just double check what's going on here. Is my MetaTrader up? Yes, it's up. Let me just adjust my lot size for an entry one. Your TP is 2950. Okay, all right. Yeah, no problem with that. All right, remember guys to like the stream if you haven't yet done so. Ideally as well, if you haven't yet subscribed to the 215 Trades YouTube channel, please ensure you go ahead and do so. So this candle right now is going to be confirming whether or not if I'm going to be taking a position in the next 3 minutes. Bitcoin is falling. I don't. Yeah, there's a Telegram. The link is in the description of the channel. It's also on the YouTube channel as well. Hey Ryan, how are you doing today? Um, I guess I'm okay. I'm not. I don't really feel as energetic as I did feel yesterday. But I guess it's just how I didn't get much sleep last night, so I don't feel so pumped. But I'm still here nonetheless. Do you know Raja Banks? Yeah, of course I know Raja Banks. Yeah, good day, Mr. Malafi. All right, so I have to do like a pause on the TikTok live streaming of the videos. Reason being is because of the rules over there. So if you guys are on TikTok and you want to see the lives the live charts, just head on over to 215 Trades on YouTube, and you should be able to see my live charts right now. So I'm still waiting to take a long position, and the next minute candle will confirm um, what I am going to be doing. Remember, guys, if you haven't yet liked the stream as yet, please go ahead and do so. Okay. All right. So if you want to see my live charts, you have to come over to the YouTube channel. That's 215 Trades on YouTube. I'm about to take an entry now. However, because of the rules on TikTok, I have to I can't show the charts all the time. All right, so that candle closed in a very just below the area really. So um good day. He has a similar price action as to what you have breakout and supply and demand. Yours is more detailed. Okay. Yeah, I guess so. If you want to put it that way, because I think he trades. If I'm not mistaken, he trades on the 30 minute and the 50 minute. If I'm not mistaken, I think that's what he does. So this candle closed, but it closed just below the zone. So I'm just waiting for this candle to confirm. It's now 7:31 a.m. here in London. So I'm just waiting for this candle to confirm it, and then I'm off. All right, remember, so I have to put a break on the streaming on TikTok. I'll put the charts back up in a minute or so. But for now, guys, you have to head on over to the YouTube channel. That's 215 Trades on YouTube to join and see the live charts over there right now. So I'm just waiting for this candle to close. And then after that, I am off. So 3 minutes left until this candle close, and then that will be it. All right, 2 minutes left. Let's see if the market's going to do us dirty as it did us yesterday again. All right, well, 2 minutes left. Remember, guys, if you haven't get liked the stream as yet, please go ahead and do so. 1 minute left on this candle. Okay, just a few seconds left. That was a very strong reversal. Didn't expect to see that right there. Wow, what the hell happened just now? Because that flipped green and at the last minute, but it just closed it basically on the line as well, which is extremely strange. All right, so we still need to wait for this candle just to see what this candle is going to do. Remember, so if you're on YouTube, if you're on TikTok, and you want to see the live charts, you have to head on over to the YouTube channel. That's 215 Trades on YouTube. Waiting for that candle close above just to confirm it. That green, but mine red. Yeah, I think it's going to be different on different brokers as well, because mine just flipped at the last second. It flipped and it changed. Yeah, that's a very deep retracement back into the zone. It's fine. Come back to the POI, get some momentum to go back up. Let's see what's gonna happen. We'll have the London market opens in about 20 minutes or so as well. So let's just see what's gonna happen. We just need one candle close just above this zone here, and then that should be it. So let's see. All right, if you're getting ready for an entry, one entry, can I just see some one in the chart? If you're getting ready for an entry one entry with us here on the 215 Trade channel, just me see some one in the chat if you're all waiting here patiently with me as well. Remember, if you're on TikTok and you want to see the live charts, you have to head on over to 215 Trades on YouTube. We're live right now on YouTube. Are we buying? No, Black Arbit. We're not just yet. We're waiting for confirmation. All right, one. Lee's one. Yeah, Malif is one. All right, so good. So people, we have a lot of persons who are here and ready. Yeah, I'm still just waiting for the market. We can see a little bit of volume coming in on this one. It's dancing a bit, so just waiting patiently as well just to see it flip, go back above this zone. Are you driving again today, Sylvia? So price broke above the zone, test that 15-minute rejection, pull back in the zone, close inside of the zone. Right now, it's now dancing inside the zone. What all I need to see happen is I just need to see another candle close just above the zone. This one closed almost on the line, really, so I'm not too confident about that one. So I'm just waiting for this one just to flip. No, but I am in the same energetic mood like you. Yeah, not so energetic today. Remember, guys, if you haven't yet liked the stream as yet, please go ahead and do so. If you haven't yet joined the Telegram group as yet, please go ahead and do so. The Telegram group is in the description of the video. Also, it's on the homepage of the TikTok channel and the YouTube channel as well. What happened? I don't know. I just woke up on the wrong side of the bed, I guess. I'm not so enthused, really. Today. I don't have that strong level of enthusiasm that I normally have when I wake up in the mornings. I'm not sure though, but why? But yeah, maybe it's just a temporary emotion, I guess. But I'm here nonetheless because you have to show up. Prices pulling back aggressively into the zone. It's around the point of interest area, so let's see if we can get a reversal back above the 215 buy line, and if we can get a candle closure above that there, then we know what we would be looking for. But for right now, price is coming back deeply inside of the zone. All right, so you just need to wait and be patient. Usually, sometime price does come back to that 215, to that point of interest area, and then reject a bit. So let's see if that's what's going to happen. We also have the London market open in about 20 minutes or so, or 18 minutes to be exact. Take it easy, walk outside, barefoot on the grass, re-energize yourself. Walk outside on the grass. I'm not sure if you've been to London much, but I don't got no grass. It's just all pavement outside, my friend. All pavements outside. But yeah, I guess after the stream, I'll try to go get some fresh air, maybe go for a walk or a run or something. Wow, that's a very aggressive drop. It doesn't seem as if it wants to confirm that buy um, and the more, but based off the looks of it, because that's going deep. That's going way deep down inside of the 215 zone. That's going deep down in the zone, and we still have 50 minutes left as well until the London session open. This candle closes in about a minute or so, so still waiting patiently just to see what's gonna happen here. That's a very deep retracement. Very deep retracement. Now, if we can get like a candle close there and then we start to have it trickling back upwards, then that would be ideal. But then again, possibly it's looking to confirm a sell now by the looks of it. So, one to watch. One to watch, really. All right, so let's look. You have a look at that. You can see where the price has now come all the way down and hit that what do you call that? That the sell line just at the bottom of the range right there. That's a massive drop as well. Was it? But I'm not sure if the persons who were in that buy position. How are you guys doing right now? All right, so Catching Gold is saying that that's my second SL since Tokyo Open. My apologies for that, catching that. These things tend to happen sometimes. Ideally, I never expected such a massive, you know, sell off that's to happen because this candle right here would have confirmed, for us to take that buy position. However, because it closed right there on the line, or maybe some persons have it closing inside, we didn't go for the buy at that point in time. So it's you see why it's quite good for you just to stick to the rules, right? So see now we have price pushing now down aggressively to the sell side now. So now our look has has totally changed. So now price is now back here now. So now we just need to wait for that to happen. So let's see. London doesn't tend to want to give us retracement, when it comes on to sells. So let's see what's going to happen. So if we can get that movement, then we can look for a short position. Go to the 30-minute and see all those wicks. 30-minute time frame. Yeah, there's quite a few wicks in that region. I think the market is angry for some reason. That's the feeling I'm getting from the market right now. That is it's just emitting a bit of anger right now. I'm not sure who is it angry with? But just looking at it now, that's what I'm interpreting from how it's reacted. All right, remember guys, if you're on TikTok and you haven't yet subscribed to the 215 Trades YouTube channel, please consider go ahead and do so. Yeah, Nash, we're back in TikTok, but I'm not showing the charts 100% over there. So if you want to see the charts, you have to head on over back to my my YouTube channel. Oh, welcome, welcome, Nash. I was just talking to you over on TikTok there just now. But if you guys can just double tap on the screen over on TikTok as well, just to get the likes up. That's nice as well. Market is trying to gain momentum. Well, the market just took some SLs, so I'm pretty sure of that. Because it almost tricked us as well. Because when it tested here, came back, closed in the zone. This candle was to close above, but it didn't. It closed right below the line. Then this candle, we're waiting for this candle to confirm the buy. However, it didn't confirm the buy. What it did is that it closed just below, or you know, it just flipped last minute, because this was a last minute flip. I didn't know what happened there because it was going red and then it just turned green. So that almost triggered us, but it didn't quite. So now prices moved through the 215 zone very aggressively, and has now broken below the 215 zone. Is now testing the 50-minute rejection line on the sell side. Put this to the right. Yeah, it's tested it, but it's now just continuing to go downwards. And we have the London market opening in about 10 minutes or so right now. So what does it want to do? What does it want to do? So if we can get it, because now this 50-minute rejection line has been properly tested. So if we can get a retracement back into the area, we can get a retracement back into the 215 area, followed by a candle closure on the downside, then it will be one for us just to take a sharp position and see how far we can take this bad boy. No chart on TikTok, that's why I came here. All right, nice. Yeah, so I'm not showing the charts on TikTok. So if you want to see the charts, you have to head on over to the YouTube channel. That's 215 Trades at on YouTube. Market wants to eat us. Yeah, definitely, for sure. It's, I don't know, I just sense a level of aggression and anger coming from the market right here in this little section right here. I'm not sure who upset the market here, but that was a crazy bit of a drop right there. How many pips did that drop bar from the buy line? So it went down 60 pip, a 60 pip fall, just like that. Never saw that coming. Yeah, I totally didn't see that coming. Now we can see rejection from the 50-minute rejection line here. So if we can get a pullback into the zone as we got in here, then we can possibly look for some short positions. So let's see what's going to happen here. I analyzed a sell on the H1, price broke out the resistance and retested it. I sold at 2938. Last time I checked, I was 60 bucks up on a $10 account. $6 up on a $10 account. All right, yeah, no problem at all. No problem at all, my friend Nash. That's very good. It's nice to see that you all are eating just the same, even if the chef is not cooking. I appreciate that. All right. All right, good. Remember, guys, if you haven't yet subscribed to the YouTube channel, please ensure you go ahead and do so. That's 215 Trades on YouTube. Ideally as well, if you haven't yet joined the Telegram group as well, please go ahead and do so. And drop a like on the video as well, on the stream as well, if you haven't done so. That's the YouTube stream as well, and we will still take the likes as well on the Telegram. Why do I feel like the market did a lot? I think it's just 7:53 a.m. and the market has That's a 100 pip move already right there from here. Well, not yet, but and this is all in 1 hour, is it not? Yeah, of course it's in 1 hour. All in 1 hour. The market well, now that's more than 100 pip. The market 100 pip exact by 100 pips, and now we still have London coming in 7 minutes. So it's going to be extremely interesting to see what London do, if London is going to reverse it. Hopefully, if it reverses with a nice entry too, which we can capitalize on. Um, Pre-London volume, yeah, we know the pre-London volume, but the pre-London volume is not usually this aggressive though. It's not usually this aggressive. London will have less volume, possibly, but who to tell? The London market is about what, 8 hours long, so maybe the first hour is not. I don't know. I wonder if the London traders, they're doing some overtime today and they just decided to come into work early today just to move the markets. But let's see. Let's see what's gonna happen. Let's see what's gonna happen. I know that this week is gonna be a great week for us. I can tell. I can feel it. So I'm not too worried. Genuinely not too worried. So let's see. All right, remember, if you're on TikTok and you haven't yet joined the 215 Trades channel on YouTube, please ensure you go ahead and do so. If you haven't yet joined the Telegram group as well, please ensure you go ahead and do so. So price came down and tested that 30-minute support. Immediately rejected from that 30-minute support on the 30-minute time frame. We can see where this candle did come down, tested it, this area, and then it skyrocketed back up. So let's see if that's the same thing that is going to happen here. By the looks of it, because I'm on the 30-minute time frame now, it does seem as if we're getting a very a higher sell pressure here, because now this is the first is 30-minute a 30-minute candle has now come back into this range. So if we get a 30-minute candle closure possibly below this 15-minute rejection area here, I think the next price target could possibly be these areas here, 2925. So it's going to be very interesting to watch. We still have about 35 minutes as well left on stream, and all depending on how the market reacts, we may extend this for maybe another 5 or 10 minutes. So price is pulling back into the zone. Let's see what's happening. So we got a green candle now. Price tested the 50-minute rejection line and it's pulling back into the zone. We have New York, not New York, sorry. We have London opening in 4 minutes as well. So let's see what's going to happen. And it's going to be so weird as well. Reason being is that the 5-minute, if this candle goes up and closes in the zone, the 5-minute candle, the next 5-minute candle is going to be the London opening candle. That is going to be having a lot of a lot of volume. So it might shoot past where we want it to. But let's see what's going to happen. Remember, guys, if you haven't yet joined the Telegram group, please ensure you go ahead and do so. For my premium members, we haven't taken any positions for the week as yet. I didn't see the market did a lot yesterday, but I didn't see any A-class entry for us to take, so I didn't send any to you guys yesterday. So hopefully today we can see some better actions today. Last week we had a very good week though, just the same. So let's see if we can replicate that and have a very great week this week as well. See if we can hit at least the 200 pip for this week as well. So if you guys haven't yet joined the Telegram group, please ensure you go ahead and do so. If you haven't yet liked the stream as well, I would really appreciate for you to do that. And if you haven't yet subscribed to 215 Trades YouTube channel, please go ahead and do so. And for all our new viewers as well, we also have a 24-hour live stream coming up as well. Once the channel hit 2,150 subscribers, that's in honor of the 215 technique. And we're not very far away from that because we're now at 1,150 and we only need 1,000 more. So once we get those at the 1,000 more subscribers, then we can look forward to the 24-hour live stream trading funded challenge on that day as well. Possibly more you just give the funded challenge to someone on that day as well, so they have it to trade with us on Zoom as well, because there will be a Zoom open on that day as well. I just want price to go hit 290, resist the 290 resistance, and I'm going to hold for eternity 2920 resistance. It can't be a resistance if the price is below, if it's below the current price dash. So it has to be a support because the price is here and 2920 is down below. So if it's below the current price, then it's actually a support. And 2920, what's that 2920? 2920, would that be the last of the... Where's 2920? 2920, 2920. Is it here? No, that's 25. Okay. I see. Oh, yeah. Yeah, it's not a very bad buy area as well. 8 o'clock now. London boys and gals are in. So let's see. Let's see what's going to happen now. Now, at this point in time, we're not getting an entry one. We're not getting an entry one set up. So the only thing we can hope for right now is an entry two. Right? So the momentum has been coming down aggressively. So ideally, I'm gonna put a mark. I'm gonna put a line here on this one, because that's a very key area as well on the 30-minute time frame. Let me just switch this to white broken lines right there. That's a key area on the 30-minute time frame as well. Let me just have a quick look at the 1 hour time frame as well. So this is a, wait a minute, 30-minute. Okay. Maybe sell into 2919. 2919. Well, that would be good. That would be good. Because we do have some areas which we can capitalize on if it goes there. The thing is, we're looking for price to, let's say, to go down lower, but price doesn't have to go down lower from where it is right now at the 2930 mark, because it can still confirm an entry two right here. So let me just put these on the board so we know what we can expect at these areas. It can still confirm an entry two right there. It can also confirm an entry two as well right there. So we just need to wait, be patient, and see where we can take these entry two setups from. Because the momentum, there's no possible way that gold is going to drop by 5,000 pips today. Unless all of a sudden we have world peace, violence is completely down, the earth is back to normal, world hunger has ended and all of that, which would be really nice to have though, but there's no way for it to actually drop by 5,000 pips today. So we have to just wait and capitalize on the areas which we can get those rejections from. Looking at the 30-minute time frame, right? Because the 30-minute time frame in this little area here is just above, like right here at that 2927, which is a 1 hour support, which we could get an entry two from. Yeah, the link to my Telegram channel is on the TikTok page, but you have to like copy it and then open it in a browser if you're on an iPhone or something. I'm not sure. If not, if you come to my YouTube channel now, I will post the link to the Telegram channel in the chat, so you can just click on it and join. And if you want to go back to YouTube, yeah, you can go back to TikTok after that if you want. So I just posted the Telegram in the YouTube chat, so and pinned it as well. Are you able to stay on live until we get an entry? Would be really appreciated. It depends, my friend. I actually do have another business that I have to take care of after stream, so that's why most of the times, once I finish streaming, I head on over to that. But let's see. We don't know what time we're gonna get an entry, Ryan. All right, so look, the price has rejected from that 30-minute support, and it's pulling back into, well, I eat my words, it's not pulling back into the zone. All right, Black Orbit, I just added the Telegram group link over there, so if you can go back that, if you can go to YouTube, you can actually see it there. All right, so it's now 8:05 a.m. here in London. Still waiting patiently as well, just to see what's going to happen. My apologies, Sylvia, my apologies. Let me do so and send it now. Wait a minute. Oh wait. Haha. Yeah. So look at this. So this morning I was sleeping though. I did the markup yesterday. This morning pre Asian Open for the 215. I was waiting to see if we get a confirmation of it. You see where price broke below the zone tested, the 50-minute rejection rejected, back into the zone, and then it closed right here for a sell. But this was like what 2:50 a.m. I will have fallen asleep by then. But if we were trading at that time, we would have actually caught that sell. If I wasn't sleeping. Maybe that's why I'm so tired now, because I was in the Asian session waiting for something to happen, and then it didn't happen because I was there about 3 hours in. I went to my bed around 2:30 a.m. London time. Could be why I'm so tired now. Okay, so my TikTok. Hold on, Sylvia. I'm gonna send it shortly. So my really, you see, guys. So on my TikTok just suspended me again, right? They just suspended me again, and I still wasn't showing the charts, bro. I wasn't showing the charts, so they just sent to me. You can go live or join live as a guest starting from February the 28th. How I wasn't showing any charts this time. I was only just talking. Live access remove. No. You see, I didn't do submit an appeal. Frauds and scam. How is it a fraud and scam? It didn't do anything. Anyways, TikTok doesn't want me to be great. All right, so let's All right, my apologies, Sylvia. I just sent it just now. Sorry about that. I think what happened was because I was fixing to send the entry for it for the buy because it was right there. It was confirmed, and I was gonna send the buy entry instead of sending just the markup. And then I got sidetracked by all this angry price action. But yeah, so that too. We if we if what you call it? Let me see if I can just go back to when I just remove all these things just now, because this was the markup in the Asian session that I did. So I did it at the 11:15 mark, but I couldn't hold true to it because I was up from 11 p.m. London time all the way to about 2:30 a.m. So I got tired, and then I went to my bed about here because I was waiting for this candle to now come below and close, because you see that you have two candles coming down, so it's come down below and close, but then it rejected, and then I saw these other candles, so I said, okay, fine, I'm just gonna go to my bed, and then I'll pick it up in the London session. And then after I went back to my bed, about 10 minutes after I went to my bed, we have these two candles which closed there, and then it confirmed that sell, and that sell would have been that massive sell that we are looking at now for over 500 or 300 pips possible. So it might be a case where we may need to go to the Asian sessions. But when I stream in the Asian session, the turnout isn't as strong as in the London sessions. So I'm not really, I don't know how to gauge it in a sense as to what we truly want. It may sell to 2924 area. Hey Ishmael, welcome. Hope you're doing well. So you can see where price has now tested that 30-minute support, and it's now pulling back into the 215 area. So if we get a candle closure back on the inside, followed by a candle closure on the downside, then wow, I didn't realize that. Did you guys see that? That gold has actually gone down by $20 today since opening. That's crazy. I didn't even realize that. So if price goes back up into the zone with a candle closure on the inside, I'm gonna go up. I'm gonna go for 30 more minutes and see. So if price go back into the zone, close inside the zone, followed by a close below, then we know what to do. We're at the 30-minute support. We can't take an entry two. Reason being because of the size of these candles here. Size of these candles here, can't take an entry two off that. Now let's look at the 30-minute time frame and see what it looks like. Came close to this 30-minute support based off where it created that support, but so it's not a bad look for us to actually go lower though. What's the 4-hour time frame saying? Still have some. Yeah, so that 1-hour support is also a 4-hour support where it rejected. Where it rejected from as well. Okay. How many new persons? If you're new to the channel, can you let me know in the chat? Let me just give you a quick shout out and welcome you to the 215 Trades family. If this is the first time you're actually seeing the 215 in action, just let me know in the chat that you're new to the chat. So see, price is now pulling back inside the 215 area. That swing low may be the next turn around point on the 1 hour. As from yesterday, we are slowly hunters with a faster market. Yeah, because the 215 isn't a fast technique. right? Isn't a fast technique. You have to really wait for the market to do exactly what you needed to do to take an entry. But the market has just been showing us that it's a sprint, not a marathon. But that's fine. How long can it do that to us for? It has to come on our court and play ball with us as well at some point in time. All right, 15-minute time frame. See what's going on. Yesterday it played with us. Today it seems like it's wanting to do the same thing. Just realized that I had appealed that TikTok thing. So you see, I don't know what else to do when it comes on to TikTok. Um, because I just got an appeal. Your appeal, we review your appeal and found you violated the community. Okay, I violated the community. Fine. What did I do? Because I showed charts at the beginning, then I stopped showing charts at the beginning. At the point in time when they removed me or banned me on giving me that strike on TikTok, I didn't have a chart up. I only had that video up to say come over to YouTube. Or is that the case? They don't want. Then again, but I didn't say YouTube. I said YT. YT can stand for anything. All right, YT can stand for anything, but it doesn't matter. We still from that stream that we did just now. We did get a few new followers, so that's fine. That's fine. So let's see. 8:15 a.m. here in London. We have 30 minutes left on the stream. Let's see what's gonna happen. Does anyone know what caused that COMEX gold futures likely to resume uptrend? Chart shows market top. Okay. Despite mild selling pressure on Monday, bulls retained the upper hand. Based on the daily chart, the analysis says both the 20 and the 50-day simply moving average are pointing upward, continuing to support the bullish technical setup. Chai says, based on the renewed momentum, the commodity may rise toward immediate resistance at 3,000. Wow. If the bullish momentum wanes, the commodity will likely retrace towards a key support at 2,800 spot gold. Okay. Oh, I just realized that we're just $70 away from All right, now look, price came, tested that 215 zone. Well, only just kissed it, didn't go in and close. Now we're having another rejection from it. So ideally, what we want is just for prices to go back into the zone. If it goes back into the zone and close inside the zone, then we can look for a short position from there. It's not doing that now, is it? All right, so we just need to wait patiently and see what happened. Interestingly enough, even though yesterday we were having that where the market was playing cat and mouse with the 215 technique, I was watching this guy on stream because I watch a lot. I watch a lot of I watch a lot of streamers who does this the same thing. And this guy, he's good at what he does, and he was waiting for his positions to play out. And each time he put his position on the chart market up to say, okay, I'm gonna wait for it to come here to take a buy. Each time the market goes there, it just turns back. And then he puts on another one to say, okay, I'm gonna wait until it comes here to take a sell. And the market just kept on playing ping pong. So for the entire, I think he was on stream for about 2 to 3 hours, I think, and I was watching him. The market just did the same thing. It just played ping pong each time before it reached to where he wanted to reach. It just turns back. I don't know how it ended though, because I stopped watching after a while because I had to go for a run. But yesterday it was just crazy. So it wasn't just us that was having a great time yesterday. A lot of persons experienced it. A lot of persons made a lot of money yesterday as well, but we weren't in that mix. So we're just waiting patiently for our time. Broke below broke below the sell line, tested the 15-minute rejection, bounced back from that 30-minute support, coming back to that 215 zone. Only tested the 215 zone with a wick, not with a candle closure on the inside, nor the candle closure on the below. So we're still just waiting patiently. If we could get a short, it would be very nice for us to possibly get a short and could target maybe the 1 hour support. Reason being because the 30-minute support has already been tested. So ideally, the way has already been made for us to move past this area. So just waiting to see what's going to happen here. We still have 25 minutes left on stream, so let's see. Hopeful. So depending on how this week ends, if it ends the way I want it to end, then next week we will be doing some Asian session and some London session as well. Ideally as well, possibly we could start preparing for that 24-hour live stream as well. Maybe doing a 6-hour stream, or 5-hour stream as well, and get the practice in for it. So depending on how this week ends, if this week ends, if I get about 200 pips this week, then next week we can start that. So far we haven't eaten all week as yet, so let's see. Is anyone in a position right now? Yo, that's a massive dip, man. And this 215 markup here was a perfect time for it. You see, perfect time for it as 215 markup at the tippy top. Still waiting. Okay. Nope. Yeah, no. The market has been played with us, my friends. But one thing I know for sure, we are some very patient traders. So let's just wait and see. It keeps rejecting from our zone. It's not going back into our zone. Do we have news coming out today? Because I didn't even check it yesterday. Well, I wasn't really interested um, in it after what it did. So today, today's the 25th of February. Today's Tuesday, right? Yeah, today's Tuesday. Today's Tuesday. We have Orange Folder news coming out at 2 p.m. London time and 3 p.m. London time as well. So well, four news, well, a lot, but only three Orange Folder is coming out. So there might be volume inside of the market, but I'm not going to be looking at the market in the New York session. More coffee. You know, I don't actually drink it. Don't like the taste of it. I may need some though, because the lack of sleep that wasn't rewarded this morning has taken away my energy. So let's see. More energy, more passion, more energy. All right, we're getting a rejection here. So let's see what's gonna happen. I thought my TikTok account was on a ban. Was it not on a ban? I thought, because I think that was like the third strike, but they're still giving me back. Oh no, I spoke too soon. As I open it, you may lose access to your account. Your account has multiple violation. Another violation could result in a ban from TikTok. This is going to be the what do you call it? The third TikTok account that I have. I'm just going through these accounts like butter, man. Going through these accounts like butter. It's 12:25 a.m. in California. I'm sleepy. Ah, Sonny. Well, just the price we have to pay to be great. Lack of sleep and all of that. It's all those cameras, bro. They link it back to you. Yeah, I figure more or less that's what they're doing. And I think I'm pretty sure that guy is still over there doing his do and is living his best life because his account is not going to go because he's not going live. Now is he? And I'm pretty sure that that guy is a fan. I'm positive that he is in the chat right now. If he's not in the chat, he's in the Telegram group as well. Might be even be in premium as well. So yeah, the buy volume is picking up. The thing is, as well, that I'm a bit skeptic about is that the time price came here in this range and it properly went all the way back up. And even if it confirms a sell, you know, based on the previous price action, it has always buyed from this range as well. So yeah, I'm not too sure how I feel right now. So let's see, price is now back in the zone. So let's see what's gonna happen, if it's gonna push through the zone or what's gonna happen, or if it's gonna go through the roof or whatnot. I can only see two people left. I can see only two people left. This, yeah, well, yeah. A lot of persons are still on there, and a lot of people are still waiting. So let's see what's gonna happen. Yeah, it would be the first candle as well for us to go for a buy in that region. Right there, if it continues back above the zone, ideally, basically reversing the trend. So, as I said, very interesting one to watch for today. Very, very interesting. It's now 8:30 a.m. here. We have 20 minutes. I give it 20 minutes. 20 minutes left on streamers. Let's see what's gonna happen in that 20 minutes. All right, remember, guys, if you haven't yet liked the stream, please go ahead and do so. Well, we don't have a very bad ratio of likes to the amount of viewers on, so we only have 36 viewers. That's very good. And we have 20 likes, so that's not a bad ratio. So only 16 persons haven't liked as yet. So that's not a very bad ratio, to be honest. That 2930 is a strong resistance. It is. It's going to test the NY. Highs from the NY. Okay. It's pretty strong. And what I was saying that on the 30-minute time frame, when price came, especially this area, when it came back to this 2930 area, it went up, as you can see. So not surprised if it happens. If it continues back through the zone, then I can take another swing at the buy at that point in time if it closes above my 215 zone at that point in time. So let's see if that's what's going to happen. And we didn't get an entry 2 from it as well because of the size of these candles. If it had confirmed an entry 2 decently enough, then we would... That can't be right. What? That can't be right. That's just 20 pips. So why do the candles look so big? But then it's just right. Yeah, it's right there in the zone. It's fine. Am I zoomed in too much on this? Why? Tested that point of interest. If it closed above the point of interest, that might be a sign of a decent reversal. So let's see. Let's see what's gonna happen. Yeah, it would be too high. Yeah. So yeah, entry 2 right there wouldn't be. Okay. All right. So it looks like we're getting a sell confirmation. 2 minutes. It's rejecting from the point of interest. Not surprised that it isn't. It is rejecting from it. It's a very important area, that point of interest, that is in these scenarios. So let's see. Remember, guys, if you haven't yet liked the stream, please go ahead and do so. Tested that 15-minute rejection well, tested it out, even the 30-minute support as well, back in the zone, close inside the zone as well. Tested that point of interest as well. Is it going to pull back to close below that sell line? Because if it does close below the sell line, then that's a confirmation for a sell on the 215 technique. So 1 minute left until this candle If it reverses and it continues upwards, then it's going to be a buy above that buy line. Let's see what's going to happen here. Do we have 15-minute candles closing inside of the zone? Well, we have one so far. Let's see what's going to happen. Okay, it's coming back to our buy area, guys. It's just about 20 pips away from our buy area. Okay. Let's wait and be patient. This week, bro, it's only been Tuesday. It's just been Tuesday. Tuesday, and you're saying the week is crazy. It's only just been Tuesday. All right, so let's see. So we're now in the higher quadrant of the zone. Okay. All right. Well, we're back in the buy. We're back in the buy area now. Back in the buy area now with 2 minutes left on this. If this candle shoots past, fam. If it does that to us again, man. If it does that to us again, because now. All right. So ideally, what we want is now for the candle has to close in this zone. It has to close in this zone right here. So let's see what's gonna happen. Let's really genuinely see what's gonna happen. What is it going to do? Because that's a very strong reversal. Very strong reversal there, which is what we want, the momentum and the volume behind of it for us to, go for it. 1 minute left on this candle as well. 1 minute left on this candle. Bloody hell. 1 minute left on this candle. Well, not 1 minute, about 30 seconds left. Okay, so I'm ready. 10 seconds left. All right, I'm going for it. So let's see now what's going to happen if we're going to be hitting our targets for today. Let's see what's going to happen now. We've been waiting all morning for this, so let's see what's going to happen now. All morning we have waited for this. Well, we've been waiting from yesterday, really. So let's see if now is the time for us to redeem ourselves. All right, let me know guys if you are in. If you're in right now, just put 215 in the chat if you're in right now. Okay. Good morning, Mark. Welcome, Mark. You coming in the stream at such a late time, Mark. Late for class. All right, so we'll be waiting for this all morning now. So let's see if we can get a close above this. If we could get a close above this area here, that's pretty good. So let's see. All right, so we have a bunch of persons in right now. All right, so you guys should be up right now, so that's good. Remember, guys. So looking to see if I can get a 200 pip move for this week. So let's see. I've been here all the time, like you, feeling drained. LOL. I missed that big one earlier this morning too because I decided to go for an early lunch. Mark, yeah, I went to bed, man. Yeah. So it seems as if we are all connected here, on the in the 215 family because I'm not feeling, so pumped, and you guys as well, are not feeling it as well. So I tell you, I guess it was yesterday. Yesterday, the market ran laps around us, man. So I'm guessing we were just tired, from yesterday's price action. All right, so we've been waiting all morning for this. So let's see. I think someone asked me to stay on until we got an entry. Who was it? Somebody asked. Was it Ryan? All right, Ryan. So I have done it. I've stayed on until we gotten an entry. So as asked, I delivered. My first TP would be the 30-minute resistance, possibly, and then I'll just try to see if I can push it to the first bit. So all right, how many pips is that now? Nice. So my premium guys are doing well right now. Premium guys are doing nice right now. So guys, just manage your profits, all right? Wow. Yeah, the market was playing with us yesterday. No more. Let's do this. Yeah, that's true. So we're just waiting now just to see what we can get from this price action. We're getting a little retracement before it actually hit our TP1, which is about 25 pips or so. But it's fine though. Did get something out of it. See if we can get a flip above this range here. If we can get a candle closure above this range here, we should be decent. Getting a very strong, aggressive pullback though. But just wait for it. Just wait for it. We're still in business here. I think that if we can maintain this up move, we can see we're basically can see where price retake all of this action that it did on the what you call it on the Asian session. So if we can still maintain and hold this as long as possible, and the price and the market allows it, we can see price testing these high areas. Also as well, if we can get a flip and a close above this broken line here, these white broken lines there, I can go BE at that point in time and then just let it ride at that point in time as well. Can you explain the 215 from scratch and how you get those zones, bro? Sadly, we're right here in the middle of a trade, so I can't explain it now because we have to be focusing and managing our profits. But what I would recommend you to do, Calvin, on my channel, there's a video that I uploaded on in December of last year. It's called the 215 trades advanced part 1. It's only about 16 minutes. Have a watch of it. Those 16 minutes will change your life, my friend. And I go live every day at 6:55 a.m. London time, and I do this live and I explain it from scratch. So have a watch of that video, rewatch some of my live streams. It's all explained on there, and just come to the live streams going forward and you can understand how we do these zones. My premium members, how are you guys doing? Let me know, guys. If you're in this right now, just react to that signal that I sent to you guys this morning. Nice. I can see that I have one reaction so far. That's good. All right, so premium members, you should be up almost 30 pips in a sense. So just do what you have to do, and then we can just. What's this red candle doing? Get away. Hi, folks. Hey, Mark. Josias. I haven't seen that name in such a long time. We're getting a very aggressive pullback there. Ooh, I don't like that. Very strong, aggressive pullback there. do you use any specific entry models? Yeah, we use entry model 1 and we use entry model 2 of the 215 technique. I tell you, Calvin, this technique is totally different from any other technique. It has its own specific entry models. It's a technique that I created, so you have to watch the videos, and once you watch those videos, you will have a better understanding of it. Am I BE? No. No, I'm not BE as yet. I did take some partials though, but I'm not BE. As yet. I'm still waiting to see if I can get a flip above that. Hopefully, it doesn't go below my area, because if it does, that may not look too good. If it goes back above this area, then I'll go I'll go BE. So if it goes back up in this area, then I'll go BE at that point in time, and then let it be. All right, so 5 more minutes, and then that will be the end of the stream for today. So far, we haven't had a very massive push. We went up in profit at around 25 pips. So let's see. Hopefully, if this candle can just push above and close above this range, then that shows that the momentum, we have a strong momentum for us to continue higher. Then we will just need to hold it as long as possible, ideally to see if we can actually retrace this entire movement back to those 8 where we got that massive Asian sell-off at that point in time. So yeah. All right, good guys. So hopefully some of you guys did get some pips from that entry. So what as you know, what I'd like to ask for you guys to do, if you can just go ahead and share the channel, I would really appreciate it. If you haven't yet liked the stream as yet as well, please ensure you go ahead and do so. Ideally as well, if you haven't joined the Telegram group as well, please go ahead and do so as well. Not going up. Yeah, it's not going up because they're not liking the stream. Thank you very much for that, Sony. Thank you very much for that. So please ensure you guys like the stream, my friends. Come on, if we can just get a push above that range, a push above that range, and I'll go BE at that point in time. Come on, let's get a push above that range. If I can get a push above that range. Yeah, this line. Sometimes I wonder if it's because I mark these lines on the charts where the market doesn't want to go beyond these lines sometimes. But let's see. So if we can get a push above that range, based off where this next 1 minute closes, then that's what. Okay, good. All right, good. So that's it, my friend. So TP1 just hit. TP1 just hit. That's 25 pips secured. All right, good. All right, good. So for now, BE on this one. So guys, enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you all for being so patient with me, and congrats. So that's why I tell you guys that we just have to be patient sometimes and just wait for it. So TP1 we just hit TP1 at 25 pips. So now we should be at PE and we should be riding the profits and let them go. So shout out to all my premium members who are on here right now who have been properly fed and still waiting for more price action. All right. That's it for me for today. I will see y'all tomorrow, same time, same place. Stay safe, my friends, and happy trading. All right.